Yo, so today we're gonna walk through how to promote your music with HyperFollow on DistroKid. Now, quick note, this is a sponsored post from DistroKid, and I personally use DistroKid for all of my music distribution. So, click the link down below to get 7% off your first year's subscription. And if you want any more tips, tricks, or in-depth information, you can check out the link for my blog down below as well. So what is HyperFollow? HyperFollow is a free service from DistroKid that essentially is a landing page for each song that you release through DistroKid. HyperFollow allows artists to grow their fan base, capture emails for remarketing, and pixel conversion tracking, which is really useful for things like Facebook ads, which I'll go over in my next video. So let's go ahead and jump in and set it up. Once you're logged into your DistroKid account, click on the More button in the upper corner and then select HyperFollow. Here you can see all the tracks that you've released with DistroKid. Click on the one that you want to edit. For this one, I'm going to use Golf on TV. This page is where you can find the link for your HyperFollow landing page, as well as a bunch of other information, such as social links, number of total visits to HyperFollow page, the number of follows generated from this particular page, the location of the fans that have visited the page, the fans' favorite artists, as well as any email addresses that you've captured from your pre-save campaigns. So that's your HyperFollow page. If you want to edit it, click on the link and then click the Customize button in the upper right corner. Once you get into the editor, you can add things such as a YouTube link, you can add your Google Pixel or your Facebook Pixel for marketing, you can add social media links, as well as edit the music links to any of the available stores your song is in. So that's it for the HyperFollow feature on DistroKid. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, and I'll catch you next time.